dari penyelidikan kita sini melakukan dari pihak HR. Juga ada beberapa soalan untuk saya.
Giving a khusus is human development.
So, for this, the company able to conduct training, maksudnya aplikasi syarikat yang menggunakan
Maybank banyak training. Whole year we have self development, we have skill development, we have special project development, a lot. To depend on the bank, the changing time and the product and services of the bank. Then you have to train our people. Yes, definitely. As nowadays, when technology evolves, then most of the training are done through Zoom. Unless there is a specific skill one, meaning to say hands-on skill, then you have to go for classroom training. Yes, definitely. Post review and that one after the training session, then you have to review the effectiveness of the training.
Could you describe your Q&A for this training or workshop?
Okay.
Could you describe your training needs analysis for this training or workshop? We have menceritakan training needs analysis untuk latihan atau bentuk describe for training needs analysis.
That one is cost or free? No. I mean, I would like to further clarify whether it's cost training or free training.
For the employees.
For the employee, for the employee, we have to see before we train, we have to training analysis, and after that course. That's what I mentioned just now. Pre is to see the skill or knowledge of the staff before the training being provided, and after that we will expect more knowledge gain after the training. That is very definite. We cannot be the reverse,
What is the purpose of the training workshop?
Okay, the purpose is of course to upskilling skill that is required from time to time.
Why does the company want to do this training or workshop?
Why the company needs? Because of the changing needs and time and the product and services. Then we have to train, because if there is a launch of new product, then we have to retrain our staff.
Does your employer or company provide in-house training or outsource training?
Okay, majority of the training is in-house, because we have a lot of trainers.